This is the bottom of the water where we are right now. It's the water of the water operation. The steps go all the way down, and at the end you can see some water. Taking account that today they pump the water in the upper aquifer in the hills, so you have much less water over here. Now look at the stairs. The path that you are standing on is kind of a crime, in my opinion, because it's really breaking the whole idea of understanding that the whole thing was one stair from 5 meters long or wide, okay, coming down, and that means probably that there were people coming down and on the other side people going up. So they won't interfere one with each other. On the side over here you can see kind of a canal that if it was raining above the water operation, so the water could drain itself easily, not on the stairs but on the side, and join here the water of the aquifer. Look at the rock above your head. This is a conglomerate. Conglomerate is a combination of material that was washed out by a riverbed, okay? In the Judean desert, in the Dead Sea area, you can see, for example, Selim Canyon coming out. See a huge conglomerate of 20, 30, 40 meter high, okay? A lot of material that comes out of the hills, and with the years was glued together and turned into a rock formation. It's very hard. So you can see, look above your head, you can see a lot of little stones, or larger stones, or big ones also, and none of them sitting together. This is how it was put. And that means that this is not a very old or very ancient rock. It can be 100,000 years old or something on that scale, okay? But still, it's still very hard, and they needed to carve through it to form this kind of a tunnel going all the way down.
What was the original size of the tunnel?
What is it?
This was all excavated, or
Yeah.
This is not natural formation.
No, the tunnel itself, no.
How did they know
You
that there
can
was
see,
something
you can see on
down?
the wall side that you come out chisels. How it was,
sister-
they chiseled it with hammers. Actually carved the whole thing.
How many years it took to
Yeah,
dig it all?
the markers. Yeah, exactly. How many years? Ahab, like 2,800 years, 2,900 years, 9th century BC.
No, how long did it take to
My
do?
question was, how much time does it take to make?
How much time?
How much time to do what?
To finish the wall.
How much budget do you have? How many people you put into the work?
This is Israel, so it'll take at least an extra 20 years.
We can estimate that it will take, depends on the hardness of the formation, from few months, maybe a year, up to 3, 4, 5 years. Let's say, this is the timetable, okay? More or less. It's not about 50 or 100 years, much less.
Iran,
Conglomerate, yeah.
explain a little bit more about where the water comes from. This isn't rainwater.
Okay.
Oh, isn't that?
Look. When you walk in a valley, in your area, okay? In winter time, you have the water coming down, washing down, if it's raining, or even a few weeks after that, okay? And then it dried out, and you are walking dry. But the water is down there 2, 3 meters deeper, okay? We call it aquifer, okay? The underground water that you have, all the coast plain of Israel, we have a huge aquifer, it's called the coastal aquifer, that we are drinking from it, okay? All the way from Nahariya to Beersheba. We have the mountain aquifer. Under the hills of Judah and Samaria, we have water sources, okay? So we have this aquifer under most of the land of Israel, okay, in different places. Now, when you come closer to it, it's in the riverbed, because the river is a bit deeper than the hills, so over there, you can approach the aquifer better, okay? So over here, if you have the Hatsur riverbed down below, you could carve over here, the water engineers of King Ahab understood it, okay? They knew that if they go deep enough, they will reach the aquifer of the waterbed and we'll be able to use it. So that's what they did. Okay? Questions? Out.
But it's still a gamble to dig